If you're looking to set up automatic mileage tracking for tax deductions, you're in the right place. This quick 3-minute tutorial will show you how to do it in just a few easy steps, saving you time and money when tax season rolls around. Stick around till the end, and I'll also share an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using today, just for you, the viewer of this channel. First, you'll need a reliable app that automatically tracks your mileage. I've tested out the most popular options, and today we'll be using one of the best for the job. To get started, you'll want to download the app and create an account. Make sure you have location services enabled on your phone so the software can track your drives without you having to manually log each trip. Once the app is set up, go into the settings and look for the mileage tracking feature. You'll want to make sure that automatic tracking is turned on. This is where the magic happens. Your phone will now track every trip you make for business, whether you're heading to a meeting, client visit, or any other work-related activity. Now, let's talk about categorizing your trips for tax deductions. Most apps, including the one we'll be using today, will allow you to tag trips as either personal or business related. For business trips, make sure you tag them properly, so the app can calculate how much you can deduct from your taxes. The software will also automatically log the distance, time, and even the route you took, so you won't have to worry about remembering every little detail when it comes time to file. Next, let's set up the app to calculate deductions. This software allows you to input your vehicle's information, such as make, model, and miles per gallon, so it can provide more accurate deduction estimates. It will calculate the total miles you've driven for business purposes, and, based on the IRS standard mileage rate, it'll give you an estimate of your potential tax deduction. This makes it so much easier when tax time arrives. As you continue to drive for business, the app will automatically track each trip. And if you forget to categorize a trip, no worries, the app will send reminders, so you won't miss anything. Plus, most of these apps offer reporting features, so you can export your mileage data directly to your tax preparer or accountant, simplifying the filing process even further. Now, if you want to follow along and set this up yourself, I've included a link to a free trial for the software we're using in the description below. This exclusive trial is only available to viewers of this channel, so make sure to grab it while you can. With this software, setting up automatic mileage tracking for tax deductions has never been easier, and it'll save you a ton of time down the road. Here's the key takeaway from today's video. Set up automatic mileage tracking to make your tax deductions effortless. By using this app, you'll automatically track your trips, categorize them for business, and get accurate mileage deductions with little to no manual effort. Don't forget, you can grab your free trial using the link below to get started today. To quickly recap, download the software, turn on automatic tracking, tag business trips, input vehicle info, and let the software calculate your tax deductions. If you haven't already, make sure to check out the free trial in the description to start tracking your miles for free. Thanks for watching.